It's butt-kicking time.
Gary, there's something I want you to know, but I'm too scared to remember what it is.
Everything has clearly gotten out of hand now, yes. But it was worth the risk, I assure you.
No, wait! I was just kidding! I swear! It was a joke! I'm sorry I tricked you!
What's up? I thought you were gonna try out your new power.
You may be able to talk the brain surgeons you pick up into doing whatever you want, but it's not gonna work on us.
I'm going to go find Cleveland.
Maybe he's in your shirt. How about I take a look?
Keep your hizzles off my tizzles. Oh,
Stay down, Fed.
I was going to.
You'd better let me handle this, ma'am. For your own safety, I must ask you to stand back.
Oh, brother.
Well, Patrick, we should be there in one more verse. Now that we're married.
Finally. I got you right where I want you.
I figure one way to fight equalists is to use an equalist weapon. All right, let's ride.
Hit Amethyst into the air as hard as you can.
With pleasure.
This tooth ain't big enough for the two of us.
If you want it, you'll have to pry it out of my dainty gloved hand, Toots.
Now let's go finish what we started.
Have fun.
Today's final assignment will show how well you can take the skills you have learned and apply them to a single operation.
Well, you little... I'll teach you to make medical history! Oops. All good. No!
You ain't killing anyone!
What the hell?
My Kamui ain't working now, but I can still take you on. Thanks to the life fibers in my body!
I guess it's time to take it up a notch.
We have to do something. I'll get him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy, Captain. Rekka, get him out. Get back!
Oh my God.
Wait! Let me explain. You've got exactly 3 seconds before we pulverize you.
Says he won't do it. Ah, we got a tough guy, eh? Hey, Charlie, don't make me mop the floor with you, huh?
You don't have to take it from us. Take it from him.
Go ahead, Vern. Tell her about the arrangement.
What arrangement?
Half blast the way out. Too many of them.
Now, where were we?
Patrick, run!
No! I'm tired of running. If we run now, we'll never stop.
36, 24, 36. Now, let's see what we got here.
I'm gonna write an inspirational book about my life, and I'm calling it The Holy Brible.
Please don't.
Here we go. Blank page. World of possibilities.
For example, if you want to say okay, you reach for the sky. Yeah, and when you're hungry, you crack your knuckles.
Oh, baby, that's good.
The fire ferrets win the coin toss. Which element do you choose?
I'm taking this one. Let's go!
Which one of you babies was it?
It was him!
He did it! I've never even eaten it! Goofy, goofy, goober, goober, yeah!
Well, looks like we got ourselves a double baby.